Light of Gohar Shahi. In the silence of my heart, your name begins to rise. In the silence of my heart, your name begins to rise, like the dawn that breaks the night. Like the dawn that breaks the night, like stars in the endless skies. Every breath becomes a prayer. Every breath becomes a prayer. Every tear a melody. Every tear a melody. Oh beloved Gohar Shahi, you are my destiny. And then the chorus. Gohar Shahi, light of my soul, you heal the broken, you make me whole. You heal the broken, you make me whole. In your reflection, I find who I am. In your reflection, I find who I am. My heart beats only with your sacred command. You are the secret hidden in the stone so bright. You're the secret hidden in the stone so bright. Hajar Aswad ki taraf ishara. The face in the moon, the world's guiding light. The face in the moon, the world's guiding light. Through the darkness, through the rain, your love flows like an endless rain. Gohar Shahi, light of my soul, you heal the broken, you make me whole. In your reflection, I find who I am. My heart beats only with your sacred command. Take my heart, make it yours. Take my heart, make it yours. Let it shine with your flame. Let it shine with your flame. Erase all distance. Erase all distance. Erase all shame. Erase all distance. Erase all shame. In your ocean of mercy, I dissolve, I remain. I dissolve. In your ocean of mercy, I dissolve, I remain. ये अजीब बात है ना? I dissolve, I remain. Only your love flowing through my veins. Only your love flowing through my veins. Gohar Shahi, eternal friend, daimi yaar. Gohar Shahi, eternal friend, your grace and beauty will never end. Your grace and beauty will never end. From this world to the heavens above. From this world to the heavens above, my soul is bound in your endless love. My soul is bound in your endless love. This basically is a song. I have written a song with a purpose in mind. That is a song. But we need somebody to sing it. We'll find somebody one day.